This is Redmi Watch 4. This smartwatch can track your sleep time, continuously monitor heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress level, supports more than 150 workouts and sports, and this one costs less than $70. That's cool. After testing more than 100 smartwatches from different brands through the past couple of years, finally I'm ready to say I have found the best value for money smartwatch. I'm not going to go through a typical unboxing, cause inside the box you are not gonna get anything but the watch itself along with a charging pack and some paper materials. This video is brought to you by Pitaka. I always use Pitaka watch bands on all of my Apple Watches. If you happen to have an Apple Watch or if you are planning to get an Apple Watch, then I think you should try Pitaka carbon fiber watch bands because these are the best carbon fiber watch bands available on the market. The very first moment I have grabbed it, I had a shivering. It gave me a premium and posh vibe. Redmi Watch 4 has metal frame, stainless steel crown. Yeah, this is a fully functional crown. And the build quality is way good to be true. I was like, really? Is it a sub $70 smartwatch? Very smooth edges along with precisely designed curves and cutouts. I think finally Redmi is ready to join the flagship league. More importantly, Redmi Watch 4 supports 22mm universal watch bands, so we can use any of our favorite watch bands and it's as easy to swap as it should be. Altogether, 10 out of 10 for both the build quality and elegant appearance. Talking about appearance, the 1.97-inch AMOLED display panel also plays a big role to make it look gorgeous. This AMOLED panel supports 60Hz refresh rate, it has 74.8% screen-to-body ratio, and it is really an amazing display panel. 390 by 450 resolution, accurate color calibration, and very high 600 nits brightness. Wow, the display panel of Redmi Watch 4 is even better than many other $150 smartwatches. As Redmi has offered a lot of watch faces inside the application, we can fully utilize this colorful display panel and get the best out of it to match our taste. Oh, okay, we can add up to 4 tiles, consists of 16 widgets. The colorful widgets complements the display panel and takes the whole user experience to another level. I personally use a Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro, which costs 4 times more than this Redmi Watch 4. But now, look at this. Redmi Watch 4 can deliver the same as its bigger brothers. Comparing the flagship Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro with a budget Redmi Watch wouldn't be fair. But you know what? Redmi Watch brought the same stainless steel crown with an almost flagship class haptic motor. So yeah, we can compare these two. The crown offers satisfying haptic and has precise rotation without any friction. It feels almost the same as Apple Watch or Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro. Not only the crown, Redmi Watch 4 also has upgraded 4-channel PPG sensor. Monitoring accuracy has increased by up to 10%, which puts it into the flagship league. At the beginning, I have mentioned Redmi Watch 4 can monitor heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress level, and vitality. But how accurate is it? The answer is simple. It's as accurate as another flagship watch from Xiaomi, Xiaomi Watch S3. Redmi Watch 4 also tracks sleep data better than Amazfit GTR4. It keeps track of every second, every movement, and even if you are gonna wake up in the middle of a night for a few seconds, all the data will be there on your Redmi Watch 4. Talking about tracking, well, it supports more than 150 different sports and workouts. More importantly, it has an independent GPS chip built inside. So we don't have to carry our phone while we are cycling or running outdoors. As it has built-in GPS and can connect to 5 major satellite services, it will keep track of our route even when it's not connected to a phone. I usually walk and run on my treadmill on my work days. And as I have access to all the flagship smartwatches, I was worried about the accuracy of workout data. But Redmi has continued to amaze me with perfect workout tracking. Redmi Watch 4 comes with a 470 mAh battery. It takes around 89 minutes to get fully charged, and I have managed to squeeze 9 days of battery life with always on display. I have managed to squeeze 15 days of battery life without AOD. Redmi Watch 4 has 5 ATM water resistance, so we can wear Redmi Watch 4 and go swimming. Redmi Watch 4 has a loudspeaker on the right side of the watch accompanied by a microphone, so we can make and receive phone calls from the watch. It supports Bluetooth 5.3, so definitely there isn't no connectivity issue. Oh yeah, Redmi Watch 4 has NFC, so we can pay using our watch. It also has accelerometer, gyro sensor, optical heart rate and blood oxygen sensor, ambient light sensor, geomagnetic sensor and built-in GPS. Finally, yeah, you will need the Mi Fit application to pair this Redmi Watch to your phone. It supports both the Android and the iOS, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. It's easy to pair and I like this new version of Mi Fit application. I have already talked a lot about this Mi Fit application in my Xiaomi Band 8 Pro review video, so if you wanna know more about this Mi Fit application, go and watch that video. I'm not gonna prolong this Redmi Watch 4 review video by talking about the same thing again and again. Well, that's all about this Redmi Watch 4. At this moment, this is my favorite budget smartwatch and I would recommend you this Redmi Watch 4 without any hesitation. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.